Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Chromebook 3100. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we are addressing a common issue where users report that their camera connection isn't secure. This can be due to wear and tear over time or possibly due to a drop or impact. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further connectivity issues, rendering the camera unusable for video calls or online meetings. Now, let's gather the tools needed for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and some replacement adhesive. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. To begin, ensure your Chromebook is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the device over and remove the screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. After the back cover is removed, locate the camera connector. It is typically situated near the top of the device, connected to the motherboard. If you're unsure, consult your device manual for specific locations. Gently disconnect the camera connector by pulling it straight out, being careful not to apply too much force as this can damage the surrounding components. Now, inspect the connector for any signs of damage or wear. If it appears faulty, you will need to replace it. Align the new connector with the motherboard and press it into place until you hear a click. Ensure that it is securely attached. Next, reattach any screws you removed earlier, applying a moderate amount of pressure to ensure a snug fit without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring that it fits perfectly. Finally, power on your Dell Chromebook 3100 and check if the camera is functioning correctly. If everything is working well, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to handle your device with care and avoid placing excessive pressure on the camera area. Regularly check the connections and clean any dust that may accumulate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.